Get away. Get away means to escape or go on vacation. Let down. Let down means to disappoint someone. Turn down. Turn down means to reject or reduce volume, offer, etc. Show up. Show up means to appear or arrive. Bring in. Bring in means to introduce or earn money, idea, law. Cut off. Cut off means to stop or disconnect. Check out. Check out means to leave a hotel or examine something. Bring down. Bring down means to reduce or defeat. Go over. Go over means to review or examine. Run into. Run into means to meet unexpectedly or face difficulty. Speak up. Speak up means to talk louder or express your opinion. Fall out. Fall out means to argue and stop being friendly. Look up to. Look up to means to admire or respect someone. Work out. Work out means to exercise or find a solution. Go off. Go off means to explode, stop working or spoil food. Come in. Come in means to enter or arrive. Pull over. Pull over means to stop a vehicle at the side of the road. Hang up. Hang up means to end a phone call. Get by. Get by means to survive or manage with difficulty. Give out. Give out means to distribute or stop working. Come down with. Come down with means to become sick. Look out for. Look out for means to watch carefully or be alert. Bring up. Bring up means to mention a topic or raise a child. Back up. Back up means to support or make a copy. Drop by. Drop by means to visit briefly or unexpectedly. Run out. Run out means to have no more left. Pass out. Pass out means to faint or distribute. Hold back. Hold back means to stop yourself or delay something. Look down on. Look down on means to think someone is less important. Stick to. Stick to means to continue doing something or follow a rule. Cut out. Cut out means to stop doing or eating something, or to remove. Get in. Get in means to enter in a vehicle, room, etc. Take up. Take up means to start a new hobby or activity. Call out. Call out means to shout or criticize publicly. Go ahead. Go ahead means to proceed or continue. Pull out. Pull out means to withdraw or remove from something. Come across as. Come across as means to give a certain impression. Get over with. Get over with means to finish something unpleasant quickly. Put off. Put off means to discourage or make someone lose interest. Lay off. Lay off means to stop employing someone. Set out. Set out means to begin a journey or task. Put aside. Put aside means to save or ignore temporarily. Come up. Come up means to appear or happen suddenly. Take in. Take in means to absorb, understand, or deceive. Move on. Move on means to continue or progress. Come forward. Come forward means to offer help or give information. Work on. Work on means to improve or develop something. Turn up. Turn up means to increase or appear unexpectedly. Come off. Come off means to happen successfully or become detached. Pass up. Pass up means to refuse or miss an opportunity.